Okay, let's see how this code works. We get this generator of HTML file, and this is made to generate some exercises where you have to put a short answer, and to, in this case, just generates different questions for to calculate the interest rate on a certain capital, and it can be in a month, in year, or in days. And so this will just generate these calls to this function. Here there is this function called input, and where you have the question and the answer, and all will be generated randomly. So all the numbers are randomly generated and this will be called for 10 times, so that will generate 10 different exercises, all included in an HTML code. So when I run this, it will generate this code here, and so I can just launch this into my browser. I could go copy it, create a new file, paste this code, save it as an exercise 5.html. Then I launch it, and here it is with our problem here to solve, and here you get to put the solution. So if you get this interest rate at 400 for 9 months divided by 1002, it should be 12. In fact, it's 12, and so it becomes yellow. If you make a mistake, it will become like this. And there is also a way to check if you, for example, here, I don't know, let me check what is for example, in the third one or in this one, you can have different answers here, because you can write it in different ways. This is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And okay, and for example, here the answer, this one can be 5.7, or you can add a 0 or 5, comma, like in Italy we do 5.7, like this. If you instead write like this, it will not accept it. So it will have also let you put the answer in different ways. And so I will put this code in my GitHub repository, and see you next time.